So in the back of my almond milk, there was a really yummy smoothie recipe, so I decided to try it this morning. I'll have the full recipe below. It was really good. I browned up a pound of ground beef, drained the fat. It's seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I added some green peppers, onion, and some leftover zucchini I had. So now I'm gonna open up some cans of different tomatoes and pour them in here, and we're gonna make a sauce. And here I have a pot of water. I'm beginning to boil for elbow macaroni. So I am going to use some crushed tomatoes, probably some tomato sauce, and to thicken it, some tomato paste. I love making pasta sauce like this because you can use whatever veggies you have in your refrigerator up. I'm gonna add some tomato paste, and I'm gonna not use this whole can. I'm gonna have extra, but I am gonna be making my gravy this weekend. I'll use it up. Now I have another can of crushed tomatoes if I need it. See how it gets watery from the vegetables and from some of the cans of the tomatoes, so that's why I want the tomato paste in there to thicken it up. So once my pot of water is brought to a boil and I drop the macaroni, this is just gonna simmer, and I'm gonna put all the spices in it, and I'm just grabbing whatever, like, you know, the basic Italian spices in here, you guys, and just let it simmer away. One of the spices that I like to add to my pizza sauce and homemade spaghetti sauce like this is anise seed. I don't put this in my gravy, my Sunday gravy, but when I do stuff like this, I do. And I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar to cut the acidity in this. All right, I am putting this on the back burner on medium, and then I'll put it down to low, and I'm gonna focus on the macaroni now. All right, I'm gonna put a cover on this and let this simmer. I'm gonna salt my water. All right, we're gonna cook that up, and I'm gonna start on some garlic bread. Yum! All right, I'm gonna butter up this French bread, and then I'm gonna put some garlic salt on it that I have. That has some herbs in it, and then we'll get this under the broiler. So Derek, you know, with picking up the kids on the days of tutoring, I have to do the carpool, like get in the carpool line. Well, this lady in front of me moved up right when the kids started coming in, and so I, you know, put my car in gear to roll forward. This minivan comes out of nowhere, like bolts in and cuts in front of me.
Did you let her have it?
No, I was just, I'm like, I can't do this. I freaking hate carpool. That will go in the oven. Gotta keep my eye on this. My noodles got cooked a little too long, but that's okay. So I'm gonna spoon up this meat sauce. Might end up using all of it, but we'll see. Add some Parmesan cheese. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna add all the sauce. All right, I've made the salad. We've got our French bread. Dinner is ready.
Boys, meat.
Here is our salad. Here is all the French bread. Oh, the garlic bread, so good. But I've got the yummy home-style ranch. And that is dinner. They're gonna say, wow, you used a real plate and a paper plate.
That's a bowl, by the way.
Okay.
Well,
I'm so tired.
We're gonna.
Okay, I've heard Becky talk about with her girl, disco, or what's it called?
Disco girl.
Disco. Visco girl? Should I be worried? Do you parents know what a visco girl is? And what does visco mean?
It's like a
Say
Instagram, but like you just post
Spongy.
pictures.
Spongy, like say turtles.
You can't like text
I know nothing.
Turtles.
Yeah, don't look them up. Don't give them more views. Walk away. Walk away. Put the controller down. Walk away. Walk away.
For dessert, I am having a peach. I got them from Costco, and they're so juicy. You wanna know something about me? Sure you do. I peel the skins off my peach. I can't stand that feeling. It just bleh. So I always eat my peaches without the skins. Anybody else can't stand the feel of a peach? Please say I'm not alone. Leave it in the comments.